Ever notice how some 3D videos look like they took an entire studio to make? Here's the secret. It's all about following a clear step-by-step path, known as the 3D video creation pipeline. If you're new and feeling overwhelmed by where to start, don't worry. First, get clear on your idea and sketch a simple storyboard. This is like a roadmap for your project. Next is 3D modeling. Think of it as creating the objects you'll use, like characters, cars, or furniture. Once your models are set, you'll add textures to make them look real, or wild and cartoonish if that's your vibe. After that, you rig and animate. This means defining how everything moves. Lighting is what really makes your scene pop, adding mood and focus. Last, you render and edit, turning all your hard work into a polished video. Mastering these steps, one at a time, is the way pros do it. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start with one piece and keep building. Ready to dive in? Grab some beginner software like Blender and start experimenting today. Please like and subscribe to 3dartschool.org. Thanks for watching.